Hello students, today I am trying to clear some doubts from some of the students. Some of the students have asked me the questions related to question number 3rd and question number 5th. So in this video I am covering the 3rd question and the 5th question. So we will start with question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Here they have mentioned that the ground is of rectangular shape. As we can see, A, B, C, D, it is in rectangular shape. Lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 1 meter each, there are some lines have been drawn. Here we can see there are 10 lines in total. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Means we can say that the total distance here is of 100 meter because each flower pot is placed at 1 meter distance. So 100 multiplied by 1 means 100 meter, we can say that. As shown in figure 7.12, Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. Niharika have covered the distance of 1/4 that of AD, means total distance is 100 meter. We have already mentioned that, and out of that 1/4 is covered. So I have write it here like this. Niharika runs 1/4 of the AD and posted the green flag. That means 1/4 of 100 meter, that is 25 meters she had covered. Okay, so how we are going to write the two coordinates of that point? To write down two coordinates, we must know which one is the x coordinate and which one is the y coordinate. So here x coordinate is 2 because she is running in the second line. We can see that in this picture. And where she is right now, that is her y coordinate, means which is 1/4 of the 100 meter, that is 25 meter, and that's why I have said that the g coordinates of point G is 2 and 25. Then in the same question they have mentioned that Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD. 1/5 of the 100 means 20 meter. On the 8th line means x coordinate will be 8 and y coordinate will be 1/5 of 100 means 20, as I have find it here and written in this way. So green point coordinates are 225 and red point coordinates are 820. Now we are going to see what is next in the question. What is the distance between both the flags? So they have asked us about distance. What is the distance between those 2 points? So how we are going to find? We know the distance formula. I have applied the distance formula here. Just put the values x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and we will get the answer, which is under root of 61 meter. So the distance between green point and red point will be under root of 61 meter. What is next in the question? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, so I have to find the midpoint of this distance. If I find the midpoint of G and R, then it will be the position at which Rashmi will post her blue flag. Okay, so now I am going to find out the midpoint of the green and red flag. So to find midpoint, I have already mentioned you a formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, x1 is 2 and x2 is 8, so 10 by 2 means 5, that is the point of the x coordinate. And then y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 22.5, and that means the coordinate of the point which is the midpoint of the GR segment is A, and coordinates of it is 5 and 22.5. Okay, I hope you have understood the question number 3rd, and now we are going to move towards the question number 5. One of the students have asked me to clear how we are going to solve question number 5th, and so now I am trying to explain you the question number 5th, how you can solve it. So look carefully, I am going to explain you the question number 5. Find the ratio in which line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. Read the question carefully. What he had mentioned here, that find the ratio. He is asking us ratio. So to find ratio, I have already given you one formula, है ना, by which we can find it out. Whenever there is requirement of ratio, we are going to consider the ratio be k/1. I have explained you it is already. And then for x the formula will be like this, and for the y the formula will be k y2 plus y1 k plus 1, है ना. So for x I have put all the values in the formula and I have get this. But just read the question once. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B is divided by the x-axis. By the x-axis. x-axis अगर आपके किसी भी सेगमेंट को कट करता है ना, जैसे ये मेरे पास कोई सेगमेंट है, इस सेगमेंट को अगर x-axis कट करेगा तो उसके y कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएंगी, 0, है ना. आप कोई भी x-axis को क्या बोला है उसने, इज डिवाइडेड बाय द x-axis. अगर x-axis आपके किसी भी सेगमेंट को कट करता है, यहाँ पे मैंने किसको कट किया है, y एक्सिस को कट किया, तो यहाँ पे उसका कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट 0 हो जाएगा, x कोऑर्डिनेट, है ना. उसी तरह से अगर x एक्सिस आपके किसी सेगमेंट को कट करता है, जैसे यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं, तो उस केस में उसका y कोऑर्डिनेट जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका 0 हो जाएगा. देखो y कोऑर्डिनेट की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या आ रही है, हमारी 0 आ रही है ना. तो वही हमने यहाँ पे कंसिडर किया है कि whenever there is a segment is divided by the x-axis, then in that case y coordinate will be 0, and that is why I have written here that y is equal to, I have put the formula, I have put the values in formula 5k minus 5u by k plus 1, but y is 0, I know that, and I have put the same values here, and that is why 5k minus 5u upon k plus 1 is equal to 0. K plus 1 multiplied by 0 means 0. 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 5 if goes in another side, that of equal to, in that case minus 5 will get converted into plus 5, and then 5 by 5 means 1. So I have value of k is 1. Okay, so in this way we can find out the value of we can find out the ratio. So here k is 1 means ratio will be 1:1. So in this way we can solve the question number 5th also. I hope you have understood the question, and you can solve all the remaining questions from the exercise. If still any problem is there, you can ask me.